How to create and customize a line chart in Microsoft Word. First, open your Word document and go to the Insert tab. In the Illustration section, click Chart. In the Insert Chart window, select Line from the left side. You'll see several line chart styles. Choose the one you want, such as the first line option, and click OK. Word will insert the chart and open a small spreadsheet. Replace the sample categories and values with your own data. Once you're finished, close the spreadsheet. Now let's customize the chart. To move it around the document, click the chart and select Layout options. Choose a text wrapping option, such as Tight, then drag the chart to your preferred position. You can also resize the chart by dragging any of the corner handles. To change the chart title, click Chart Title and enter your own title, such as Line Chart. You can add or remove elements like data labels, legend, and axes by selecting the Chart Elements button. To change the appearance, go to the Chart Design tab. Here, you can choose from different chart styles and use Change Colors to select your preferred color combination.
If you want to edit the data later, select the chart and right-click. Then click Edit Data and update the values in the spreadsheet. The chart will automatically update. And that's how you can create and customize a line chart in Microsoft Word. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more Microsoft tips, tutorials, and the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching.